Everyone wants to build wealth. But most people think they need money to start. That's the greatest myth of all. Because true wealth doesn't begin with money. It begins with mindset. The richest people in history all started from zero. But they shared one thing in common: they never stayed at zero. You see, wealth is not a number. It's a direction. It's the decision to stop blaming the world and start building something within it. The poor wait for opportunity. The wealthy create it. And if you want to build wealth from zero, you don't need capital first. You need clarity. Here's where it starts. 1. Learn before you earn. Most people chase money. The wise chase knowledge. Because when knowledge compounds, money follows naturally. You can lose your job, your business, even your savings, but you can't lose your skill set. That's your first asset. 2. Build value before you sell value. Everyone wants to make money fast, but no one wants to become valuable. The truth is, people don't pay for your time, they pay for your transformation. When you can solve a problem better than most, money finds you. 3. Respect the small beginnings. When you start from zero, every dollar matters. Learn to save, not to hide money, but to train discipline. Because if you can manage $100 well, you can manage $10,000. The habit of control is wealth's first foundation. And here's what most people forget: building wealth is boring before it's beautiful. The grind is invisible, the growth is slow, but one day, it compounds. You'll wake up realizing that your skill has become valuable, your habits have become powerful, and your consistency has become your income. The secret is this: you don't need more money. You need more discipline, patience, and belief. Start by learning one high-value skill. Create something that serves others. Reinvest what you earn. That's the real formula, and it works in any economy, any generation, any country. The world doesn't reward the one who starts rich. It rewards the one who refuses to stay poor. Because the greatest wealth isn't in your bank account, it's in your mind, your habits, and your vision. So if you're starting from zero today, remember this: you already have the most powerful asset of all, your drive. Build slowly, grow wisely, and never forget, wealth is not about having more, it's about becoming more. This is Drive to Wealth.
Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. If you like this, please share.